Hi, this is Kim. Welcome back. It's time for another video. Today I am going to show you how to make a customized calendar inside of Microsoft Word. It's really fun, it's really easy, and they make a great gift. So here we go. So open up Word. You may have Word on your desktop. You may have Word on your taskbar. I have mine right here in my start menu. So I'm just going to open it up. This is Office 365. If you have Office 2013, 16, or 19, when you open up this page, you're going to have a search and you're going to have some templates on that. If you have 365, you have to click on New right here. And then you'll have search online for templates. So only 365 you need to click new. The other one, it's right in the home tab. So let's type in calendar. Let's find a fun one. Oh, here's one with pictures. I like to add pictures. It makes it more personalized. So then you press create. This box will come up. This is what date you want to make your calendar. This page that we've chosen is just 1 month. So you'll need to do this for each month. Some of them are the whole year, like this one's a whole year over here. But this is just 1 month at a time. So let's start with January. Let's go to January 2021. And we want the week to start on Sunday and press OK. So this is just showing you that how you can change the dates, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So click OK. So Word has created the calendar. It has put the dates in the right spot for January 2021. So this is what our page looks like. We can go in here and change the theme. This is where you change the date, but we'll do that later. So here's the theme. They have So each theme has different colors, and also the fonts change a little bit. And you can change the font separately, so don't pick one based on the font because you can change that. And don't pick it based on really the color either, because we can change the color and the font up here. So just pick one that you kind of like the look of, like that's pretty. Okay, so let's say I don't really want gray, or I want a different shade of gray even. So you could go down and through here and you could pick a color family that you like. So you just go, I kind of like these blues actually. So I'm going to click the blue, and then you can change the fonts. So you click here and same thing. I'm not clicking on these, I'm just hovering over them, and you can see that the fonts are changing. The fonts for this text is changing, this. There's a little note section down here that's also changing. So you just hover until you find one that you like how it looks. Let's go ahead and pick that. Okay, so now we have our January 2021 calendar. We have a color that we picked. We've got the font that we chose. Now what we want to do is put our picture in here. These girls are adorable, but the idea of making a custom calendar is to put your own stuff in there. So the easiest way to do it is just right mouse click on the picture, and then right here it says change picture. So you can you can pick an icon, you can find an online picture from stock images if you have an account somewhere. But I want my own picture, so I click from a file. This is my grandson. So he's gonna go there. He's my model. Okay, so that's January 21. I've got my picture, my dates. You can format this by clicking up here on the ribbon. So it doesn't show it automatically. It's kind of hidden a little bit, but you have to click on the tabs. So like you can still get to all your font settings. You can get to a lot. So we want to be on picture format. So like if we wanted to add orders, you don't have to do any of this, but you can. And if you don't like any of it, just click undo. Get back to the full picture, but I just wanted to show you that you can do all these things. Transparency, artistic effects. I think he's adorable as it is, so I'm not going to change any of these. So anyways, yeah, so you can use all this. It's like, here's just a plain border. Like if you just wanted a plain border, you could just pick a thin line. So you go down to weight and then just pick whichever, and it kind of shows you. So if you look at my picture, you can see it's getting thicker. Like let's say I just want a really thin line. Just makes it stand out a little bit. So then now you can go into the actual days. So this just kind of shows you. You just click and type. So let's say January 3rd was Mary's birthday. And on this is Jim and Stacy's anniversary. Anyway, so you can add all sorts of things in there. Down here is a notes section. You can delete it all together and leave it blank so the person can put their own notes in there. Or you can write a sweet little note, like if this was for Grandma. Like you could say, "We love you, Grandma, and we can't wait to talk to you on FaceTime," or whatever. So you have some area here we can put a personalized note, or you can leave it blank. So there's our January. So what you do is you save it. I'm not really going to save it. I don't need to. Well, what the heck. File, save as. I'm just going to put this on my desktop. And January 2021. Sure. So I'll just call it that. So then now I'm going to do February. I don't have to start all over from scratch. I can just go in here. We're going to change the date. So now we're going to do February 2021. Still on Sunday. Okay, so now it changed it. Now it's got the February dates in there. We can use our same picture. We can choose a different picture. So right mouse click, change picture from file. Let's use this one. And then you add some dates in. Valentine's Day. This is probably President's Day. I don't know. Let's make somebody else's birthday. Edna's birthday. Anyways, and then once again, you change your little message down here. Tell Grandpa. Oh, we don't want to say it. Let's say hi, Grandpa, this time. We love you and miss you. Whatever. So if I can type right. Anyways, so you can do whatever you want. Type anywhere. You can change the fonts. So like, let's say you wanted these birthday things to be bigger. Go to your home tab. You can either click this A, which makes it bigger like this, or you can pick an actual size that you like. So let's say 14 bold. And her favorite color is purple, so let's make that a more of a purple color. Valentine's Day, let's say we want to make that red, bigger, bold. Maybe let's insert an icon. Let's see, what would be good for Valentine's Day? Let's search for a heart. There's some hearts. Here's a good one. We'll insert the heart. We'll make it really tiny. Oops. Let's undo that. Let's just do text wrapping. Let's do square. Let's see, will that bring us back? Lost our text here. That's okay. Actually, we don't even need that text. Could get it back, but let's just put a big heart here. So anyways, you can play. You can do, so let's go to click on this. This is graphics formatting. That's right there. So we can pick a fill. Let's just make it red. There, so then we know that's Valentine's Day. I think it looks better without the text. So anyways, and now you're going to save this as February and do the same thing to create March. It's really fun. You can really just personalize for each person. You can make their own calendar. Buy some nice thicker paper to print it on. Or just regular paper, but if you get some nice thick paper, and you can hole punch the top maybe and make it so that they can actually hang it up easily. You can make a cover, so just use the same size, it's just 8.5 by 11, so you just turn it portrait, make sure it's portrait, not landscape, and make your custom cover. Let's go ahead and save this. Save as. This one will be February. Oops. There you go. So it's very easy. It's fun. I think that everyone would love to get a personalized calendar, especially with pictures of your family, your pets, your kids, even a picture of our White House. Maybe you all went on a vacation together there, and that will bring back memories for your loved one. So anyways, that's your simple calendar creation video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you try it and make a calendar. I think you'll find it kind of fun to do. So thanks again for visiting, and I'll see you next time.